Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. You work hard at keeping the interior of your Camaro clean, but there is always something that tends to go unnoticed. The cabin air filter. This filter keeps you breathing better by trapping even the smallest particles of pollen or any other pollutants. K&N has taken the same filter technology that they used in their intake systems and applied it to a cabin air filter. These filters are going to be washable, so you can't expect to get a lot of use out of these. With only having to wash the filter every 20 to 25,000 miles, this is going to be the last cabin filter you ever have to buy. Installing the filter is easily done. Simply remove the factory filter and slide the new one in place using the integrated pull tab. The hardest part is getting the glove box out of the way to give us access to the filter location. With the glove box open, we are going to remove the retaining strap on the outer side of the glove box. This strap can be removed by hand, but it will spring back once loose. Using a pick will allow us to keep the strap in place for an easy reinstallation. Now we can take the glove box and push the sides of the box in to pop the tabs out of their location. The glove box can be a bit stiff, so using a trim tool to give us a bit more leverage might be necessary to loosen the tabs. Once loose, the glove box will drop down. With the glove box down, we can access the cover that exposes the factory filter. Squeeze the tabs on each end to pop the cover out of place and set it aside. Then simply take the factory filter and set it aside. Here you can see how dirty the filter was in our car. Then take the K&N filter and install it into the factory location with the pull tab facing out. Reinstall the cover, ensuring the tabs are snapped back in place. Now we can reinstall the glove box by taking the strap and installing it back to the factory location. Then take the glove box and push it till the retaining tabs are popped back in place. Now there you have it, guys. A simple filter replacement will allow us to breathe better without worrying about the small particles getting into the interior, affecting our clean car and keeping the air fresh. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about the cabin filter, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.